Hey y'all, it's Derek from the Food Boat. We are here in Bimini, the Bahamas, on Alfred's Whiskey Throttle cruise. They just made me a delicious conch salad.
That's the conch inside the shell. You can see it poking out at you. Now you get to see it all the way from the start. You crack it, stick a knife inside of it, release it from the shell, and out comes Mr. Man. The first thing you're going to see is his eyes. The eyes and the mouth. The two eyes and the mouth. And that is the conch.
And you said you're only doing about 50 of these today?
Yeah, that's a meal. That's his little ding-a-ling right down. His little manhood. All right. We call it the Bohemian Viagra, but if the conch had bone, this would consider the spine of the conch. It's good for for the manhood. So for all your guys that have little back problem, this ought to solve it. We got the male and the female. This is the male, this is the female. So you see the difference. Then you got his two eyes looking at you, and the mouth in the middle, which is the brain. You cut off his foot. Then you take off the intestines, which we call conch slop. It's good for if you want to go fishing. It's good for fishing. Now we take him out of his skin. Okay. The stomach area. You can use the skin to make salad. All you do is just boil it. This is the conch bobby. The only reason why I call it conch bobby because the two eyes and the mouth, it almost looks like three breasts. So you all say breast, we say bobby. I've been working here for a little over 12 years, but I've been doing this over 40 years.
What time did you start?
About 9 o'clock, from 9 to 5. On a good day, we can run through anywhere from 100 to about 400 conch. And that is a clean conch. Whap, whap! You can make conch fritters.
Gumbo, pan fried, deep fried, stir fried.
Conch chowder, cracked conch, steamed conch, stew conch.
Maybe use two conch. Depends on the size of the conch. Make the salad.
How long have you been doing this?
23 years. I learned from my son. Come on board from diving. And I just use like back and forward, waking in Nassau. And you pick it up like that. Face off to be free diving. Then you're going into the compressor and stuff like that. Let's rinse it off. Salt water. Sweet pepper. Three slices, 4 slices of sweet pepper. Rinse it off in the salt water. Cut the top off. Add together. Seasoning. Mix it up. Side, 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 side.
How many of these you make in a day?
300, depends on during the summer months.
Yeah.
During the summer months, school closed, college closed. Homeowners come over, people come over every different day. On the fast ferry, the cruise ship and all that stuff, you know.
Where are we at?
It's George Conch salad stand. Well, you're gonna be the new judge, okay? Okay? All right? Yeah, all right.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy.
If you had never had a conch salad, you need to get one. You need to go to the Bahamas. It's the most hospitable destination you can go to, the Bahamas. It doesn't matter what island you go to. Like I said, we're in Bimini right now. But anytime you go to the Bahamas, they're the most hospitable people. This morning, I literally walked off the cruise ship, just started walking through all the neighborhoods and everything, came up to a gentleman who was sweeping a broom, and I said, hey, if I want to get some food to put out on my YouTube channel, what do I do? And he said, you go in that office there, literally right behind me, and says, you go in that office there and talk to Elizabeth, and she's with the Department of Tourism. She gets me in her car, drives me to another restaurant, which we're gonna go to in the next episode, and then drives me here and says, you need to get their conch salad. Best on the island. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat this conch salad. They just made it up there. God. This is their signature rum punch, Bimini Knockout Punch. Oh man, that contains alcohol. A delicious blend of fruits and rum contains alcohol, and it is delicious. So if you find yourself in Bimini on the Bahamas, you need to come check out Stuart. Wow, that's good. I'm gonna keep moving. I gotta walk up that way and get in another kitchen. So y'all enjoy the episode. If you haven't done it already, please smash that like button. Let me know you like it. Drop down in the comments. Let me know. Have you been here? Have you been to Stuart's? If you have, did you put a sticker up? I just put one up.